Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Melania meme coin on MeteoraVD in 2025. So I'm going to show you basically how to buy the trending Melania meme coin on the new platform Meteora. This platform basically is gaining some massive popularity, and Melania meme coin is one of the most token that is known with Trump coin at the moment. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Of course, we can just go and type like Melania coin markets cap, the enter button, click on this first link. And as you can see, I'll be taken here. Here, I'll be able to know a lot of information about the Melania Melania meme coin. As you can see, like the price, volume, market cap, supply, max supply, a lot of information. And here, we'll be able to see the markets, official markets that sells this Melania meme coin. And as you can see, the first one that we can see is this MeteoraVD. As you can see, confidence is high, volume is good, volume 20 in 24 hours is good. The price, as you can see, like kind of similar. You can see like liquidity score and all other informations here and coin market cap. So all you need to do, just click on this USDC Melania. And as you can see, you'll be taken here to coin market cap. So what you'll need to do is just go down in here. So once you're here on the left, go down, you'll find trade on MeteoraVD. So once you click on it, you'll be taken right here, right away. So you might get a little bit confused of this pool. So as an example, like we find Melania USDC. If we click on it as an example, you'll find like some pools in here, recommended pools. What's that? You might not know what's that. So to understand a little bit about it, we can just go and open, as an example, a new tab. So I'm just going to go here and type Meteora by crypto, why not? And click on the first link. As example, I want to be taken here. And here, I'll just going to click on Explore Meteora. Once I click on that, as you can see, I'll be able to watch a video, like a video made by the CEO of Meteor, or he said like he's the co-founder, so not the CEO. And as you can see, we'll be able to see like liquidity pools and DLMs, how it works. So you don't have to watch the whole video, just watch whatever you want. So maybe liquidity pools, or you want to watch like providing SOL and USDC, like you want to watch settings, slippage and priority fees and etc. So whatever you want to watch, just go to it, or you can even speed up the video and watch it all if you want. It's up to you. So once you understand more about it, as an example here, you can go and create your own pool if you want. So you can select like the base token that you have. Maybe as an example, you have USDT. As an example, they're telling you here USDT is usually set as the code token when paired with Solana. So we can choose an example USDC, or I don't know, Solana right away. It's up to you. So to choose whatever you want. And here we'll have to choose the Melania. Of course, you'll have to choose like the price that you want to enter and etc. This if you want to like open your own pool. Of course, before any of that, you'll need to like connect a wallet. If you didn't do this yet, make sure to do it. So make sure to connect your wallet. If you have one of those, it's good. If you don't, click on more wallet. And as you can see, you'll find a lot of wallets, known ones. You gotta have one of those. So you'll have to connect your wallet. So you'll be able to trade on Meteora. Of course, I can just go back here to pools. And as you can see, I'll find here the pool. As you can see, I'll find here some 3 recommended pools. This one has like a 1.5 fee. This is 0.8 as an example. So we can go as an example and click on this. And here, of course, I'm not going to be able to trade because I'm not connecting my wallet. But for you, you can start adding your position. You can swap it right away from here. So, for example, maybe I want like 100 Melania. So, as an example, they'll show me here the amount that I'll have to, oh, sorry. It should be the opposite. So, for example, I want to buy like 500 USDC of Melania token. For example, this will get me this amount of Melania token. For example, for me, they're telling me now I don't have enough, so a sufficient balance of USDC click on the token links to get more of that token. So for you, if you connected your wallet and if you have that amount, you'll be able to switch it to Melania using MeteoraVD. As simple as that, as you can see. Of course, if you didn't like this pool, you can go to other pools, maybe like this one. Example, swap, and you'll be able again to swap it. So it's up to you to choose the pool that suits your needs. Okay. If you don't want even to use Meteora, there are a lot of other markets like Radium, BitGet, Kraken, KuCoin, Mixi, HCX, Gate.io, Orca, very known. All of them very known. Confidence is very high, or high actually, with like great price. You can look for you, like example, the cheapest price. Since all of them are high, you can go and create an account. Example, if you're looking for the cheapest price, create an account on their websites if they require to you as an example to create an account. So this one as example might require you to create an account, not like switching or swiping a platform like like Meteora or Orca or something like that. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.